Hi guys, it's Annie here. I've been super busy. I know it was like I made a lot of videos and then I just disappeared, and I had a custom order which I regret that I did not get to film it because it's already gone. And but anyway, I made these other three. They're planners, so I shouldn't say journals, but I made this is a planner, and then I've got another video I'm going to do with just it is a small junk journal. But my desk is a mess, and that's what they look like when we're working, right? So this is a small one. And I thought I had all these paper pads over there, and I thought I'm going to use them and I'll get rid of some of that paper. But you know, you can make a lot of planners with one paper pad. I mean, a lot. But anyway, this was some scraps I had. So this is just a small one. I thought it'd be great to, you know, if you don't like the big ones, or you want something to throw in your bag or leave in your car, or, you know, make it a little easier to carry around with you. And this on the front, I had one of those Tim Holtz, the smaller floral dies, and I took some scraps and cut these out, and I love them. They're so delicate and they're small, and you can laminate them with no problem. And I just really thought that was really cute, just on something for simple design on the front of the little planner. But anyway, like I said, this is real simple, just some paper clips, and the papers in this paper pad are pretty, and I don't have it right here, and of course I don't remember the name of it. So like just normal pocket, and then this is the calendar, which I do put perpetual calendars in mine, which I like that because that way you can start it whenever you want, and they don't go out of date that way, and you can replace the calendar or pages in it at any time. And just a little file folder, another little paper clip, a little dashboard or bookmark or whatever you want to call it. And I did laminate it, and I did put this on it where you can put your pen, which I forgot to do that. Another little paper clip, and then another one up here that I had got. Oh wow, did I get these at, well anyway, I don't remember where I bought them. And here's another one of the papers out of that. And like I said, you can make a lot of planners or journals or whatever out of one paper pad. And this is just to write in. And like I said, this was small, and I kept it small. I kept it plain, just where you can tuck stuff, receipts or whatever, in your calendar, and to jot notes down. You know, and of course you can add other things. I may put just a couple more of the, you know, just plain pages in here, or maybe just some empty book covers or something, so you can change it for later. I was looking to see if it had any empty. No, it don't have any empty plastic in it anywhere. Okay. But yeah, this one's just real small, and it's just plain on the back, and like I said, easy peasy. Now this one is mine, and it is in use. And this was, I don't know, a door or something in the paper pad. Once again, just elastic, because this is mine. And of course I left my ink pen in it, believe it or not. And these papers are so pretty. And then there's my calendar. And as you can tell, I've been using mine, so we won't go into all that. Got a little place over here where we can jot down notes, which I do use this stuff, you know. To jot down notes, and when I buy stuff, because so much of us, we order stuff online. I like to write down that way. If it don't come, when I remember it, I can go back and look. And then here, and I just put a pocket on it, and I kept mine simple too, for what made it kind of like what I use it. And here's a little folder that I do use, and then I just left a plain little dashboard in mine. And then just to jot notes down. And there's the other back of the, if you want to put Post-it notes or whatever. And this is the one I keep it on my kitchen counter all the time and use it every day. So yeah. Oh yeah, and I did not show you, but I do have a bookmark in it, but I didn't laminate it. This is just mine, so I just left it like that. I may laminate it. I just made it. So anyway, that's that one. And then this one is a larger one. And I don't know where the paper clip fell out of. I don't think it was in mine. We'll just stick it in here. But I put this little tassel on the front, and this was the same paper out of that paper pad. So I know I made four planners, and I have a lot of paper left. So yeah, you can take that off, use it, leave it, whatever. Put something else on it. But yeah, this is quite large. I don't know if you'd want to carry it around with you, but there's a pocket, and then I think these papers are so pretty. And then this is your planner. I put pockets, your calendar that you just start it where you want, and you are in charge of putting the months and the days in. Which I put a paper clip, and then here another paper clip, and I put pockets, and you can just notes or write in it or journal in it or whatever. A little dashboard with a couple of paper clips. And then here's your password tracker, which I think this is nice in this day, because how many of us remember our passwords all the time? I have one of these in my desk that I use, that I've had for a long time, and it is definitely a must-have for me. And yeah, there's a lot of room in here. And then here I just put a bulldog clip and an ink pen. You can put a different ink pen in here, but that's what I put in here. And then here is an address book. So yeah, this is definitely something that you might want to keep on your desk. This is just for whatever. There's a pocket here. And then I just put some little goodies in here if you want them to use them to mark stuff or whatever. And that's that. And you do not see the ink pen. You do not see the ink pen when this is closed. In the middle of it, I did put this, and I did put a key on the bottom of it, you know, just for, if you don't like it, you can take it off or whatever. But I don't know where this went. I'm just going to put it here. I don't know if it went in this one or if it went in the other. Oh, it went in the little one. Okay, so I won't do that. Okay, that's all I wanted to update you on, was these three. Oh yeah, it went in this one right here. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on those three, and I have another one I gotta make separate. So anyway, it's good to be back, and if you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them, and leave me a comment, and I hope everybody has a good day, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.